What I let you?
Marco Polo.
You don't like tape me?
It's already taped.
What?
It's already taped.
All this stuff is.
No, shh.
Soon get sick of it though.
So I can get sympathy.
You're in the way.
It wouldn't be a hassle because it's part of your life.
Sympathy.
You either jump on a gondola or you walk up to a bridge.
He's really silent.
Moved on with the time when we walked out of the water. Swimming about with fish, weren't we, a number of years ago?
Well, fish.
There was some sort of swimming grub type thing, and it grew up into people. Now I don't know how old this place is, but it suited us more back then. It doesn't work this living like this. It's not. It doesn't work living in water.
This city's been here for hundreds of years.
Where are we going?
Just keep going straight.
We've got no option. Not packed now. It's like a fire alarm's gone off. Everyone's just hanging about.
I'd love to see this. St Mark's Square. It's beautiful.
Never heard of it.
1600s, right? This was the centre of culture and entertainment in Europe. You can just feel the energy. It's interesting how the human body was represented.
The body hasn't changed, has it, from how it was then? It's just that they were probably more tan because they all, walked about with the tackle out. If you're walking about with next to out on all the time, you're going to make an effort to have I've got a t-shirt on, so
Don't pick on the cat.
Why do you think they should be pets?
Just to cheer it up a bit. There's a fat ginger cat sat in the corner who would take the edge off someone being clubbed to death.
This is the stuff memories are made of.
Oh, man. Jesus Christ. I tell you, that is going to get right on me tits if he continues this touristy thing he's doing. He's treating it like a holiday. He's not on Marco Polo, did he? He won't stop in every 5 minutes feeding pigeons. He's an explorer. He's pissed off over there buying ice cream or postcards or something. He's left me with his bag. Cooking ice cream. It's going to take forever, isn't it? This. Getting all the way to China.
Is that an ice cream? It's melted a bit. It's a long way. Do you like vanilla?
Yeah, I like vanilla, yeah. We can't keep doing this though. We're sort of wandering about taking pictures and that. Because it's not me, this.
Yeah, but I'm trying to open your mind and open your eyes a bit and to appreciate where we are and what we're doing. And so we do the pigeons, we get ice cream, Italian ice cream.
We do the pigeons. I've never heard anyone saying, right, Venice, what for to do the pigeons? We've got them in Trafalgar Square.
I'm starting to think I'm here with the wrong person, to be honest.
I'm not moaning.
Psychology, children.
Step
You
towards
want to know, but I don't like this sort of setup. I mean, what's a lion doing up there with wings on? If that was done today, you'd go, what's that shit?
Is that you? Is that you?
Yeah, that's hilarious.
Mark, is that you?
I'm not like that.
Yeah? And I had one that had chocolate on, it's 30 quid. Yeah, even if it went in Poundland, you still wouldn't buy it.
It's lovely.
I'm not buying that, it's a pound.
With the rose petals.
Let's go somewhere else.
It's like going away with
Thank
your
you.
girlfriend for the first time or something. You suddenly, this is it. With her all the time. It's when you find out what people sort of, I like the little downfalls, the little irritating things that they do. Everything's exaggerated. That's why honeymoons.
You were complaining about the hotel and stuff.
You should do it before it.
Remember?
Find out if you like each other.
You can hear them having a pee.
I'm good. Oh!
Hello, this is teacher checking in. Yes, I saw you.
Probably having an Elvis way. Oh.
If you need anything, give us a call. Let me know. It's going to be around 12. It's moaning too much. Or in fact, let me know if you're not moaning enough, because that's what's funny. If he's not complaining, we'll have to change that. Alright, speak to you soon. Cheers out, bye.
Looking forward to today?
Yeah, got some fun things I want to do. I just want to show Carl sort of the idea of the masked ball and all of that sort of thing. And it's a tradition that goes back years, and each
it gave people anonymity, and they could actually sort of live out their kind of alter ego behind these.